The Challenges of Living in America by Taylor Kang. My name is Taylor. I am from Seoul, South Korea. I immigrated to Boston, Mass. On November 3rd, 2016. There are 3 challenges that I face in Boston: learning English, living in cold weather, and feeling lonely. The first challenge for me in Boston is learning to speak English. This is a challenge because in Korea, I spoke the Korean language. I did not learn English. Also, Korean is different from English. The sounds are different. The grammar is different. In school, my teachers help me learn English. I stay after school every day, and my teachers give me extra activities to practice. I also try to speak English in school with my friends. When I am not in school, I listen to music and watch movies in English. Learning English is difficult, but it is important to me to make friends, have a good job, and finish school. A second challenge for me in Boston is the cold winter and humid summer. Boston is colder than Korea. In Boston, it snows a lot in the winter. Sometimes the snow makes it difficult to come to school. The summer in Boston is more humid than it is in Korea. The weather is a challenge for me because in Korea the weather is more comfortable. In winter, I wear boots and a big jacket. The boots keep my feet warm. Sometimes when it snows, I go outside and shovel to make money. A final challenge for me is feeling lonely. I miss my family and my country. My father and grandmother live in Korea. My cousins also live in Korea. I miss practicing Taekwondo with my cousins. I miss the food that my grandmother cooks. I miss the advice that my father gives. I use WhatsApp to help me communicate with my family. I also use FaceTime with my grandfather every week. My teachers helped me find a gym to practice Taekwondo in Boston. They also helped me find a Korean restaurant. It is not the same, but now I feel more connected to my family and my country.